Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm making up something so delicious and yummy. This is my quick, easy recipe. Yes, I love this right here. So first thing I'm going to do is start off by chopping all of my veggies. Yes, you can slice them up nice size, kind of big, or you can slice them up thin. So now I'm just going to go ahead and get ready and slice up my beef sausage links. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and grab my cast iron skillet, place it on a medium heat, and I'm going to go ahead and start sauteing the onions and bell peppers, and I'm going to add a little margarine to the skillet. So I'm just going to go ahead and pour all of the onions and the bell peppers together in a cast iron skillet and just let them simmer and soften down a bit. Now I'm just going to go ahead and add in the sausage link. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and place a stainless steel pot on top of the stove, and I'm going to go ahead and use medium heat. Add in some fresh water, spring water preferably. Go ahead and add some butter or margarine. I'm going to go ahead and use some brown sugar. These are the grits I'm going to be using. I like to use about 3 or 4 spoons full. Alright, just give them a good stir and allow them to simmer. So I'm going to go ahead and just use a regular box of cornbread mix, and I'm just going to go ahead and put a twisty twist to it. Okay, just to give it some flavor and just some gooey ooey, ooh, cheesy goodness. Okay, that's what I'm going to be doing. So just keep watching. Alright, so if you're new here, welcome, and if you're finding any value in this video, make sure that you go ahead and give it a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe too. I will highly appreciate it. The grits are looking super, super yummy, yummy, creamy. Oh my goodness, they look so delicious. Go ahead and grab your pre-greased pan so that your cornbread will not stick to the bottom. Place it in the oven for 350 degrees for about 25 minutes. Go ahead and start to place your shrimp inside of the cast iron skillet along with your bell pepper, onion, and your beef link sausage. Add your seasonings. Alright, now I'm just finding time to just go ahead and do some tidying up. Time to grab your cornbread. Ooh, it should look like this. Now I'm just going to go ahead and top on some margarine just to give it that buttery, ooh, flavor. Yummy. Slice it up. Now I'm going to go ahead and plate the food and we're about to eat. Everything came out so nicely. It looks so good. And yes, I'm so excited that everything looks amazing. All right, here we are. Everything looks so amazing. It looks so yummy. It looks so good. And I hope you have enjoyed today's video. I'm going to go ahead and get on out of here. Do me a favor. Make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. And I will most definitely catch you on my next video. Take care of yourselves.